Good morning, students. How are you? I think all of you are fine. Okay. So, students, today we will start in grammar lesson number 9, adjectives, degrees of comparisons. So, students, in the previous video, I told you what is called an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. As you can see, this bottle, this is big in size. Bottle is noun, and I am saying this is a big bottle. So big word is adjective because it is describing a noun, and the noun is bottle. In this way, you can see this pen. This is a pen, but we can say this is a green pen. So green describes this noun pen. So this is a green pen. So green is adjective. Big, this green. So these type of words all are called the adjectives. So today you will learn in this lesson number 9 that how an adjective is used to compare the things. दो चीज़ें आपस में उनको कंपेयर करने में या मोर देन टू थिंग्स को कंपेयर करने में हाउ कैन वी यूज द adjectives. Okay, so today you will learn this in your lesson number 9, comparison, degrees of comparison कहलाते हैं. So in this lesson you are going to study about the degrees of comparisons. To compare the things, किसी चीज़ की तुलना करने में we use adjectives, and in this lesson you will see how we use adjectives to compare the things. Okay, now you see, read these sentences. First sentence is Jerry is tall. Edward is taller than Jerry. Henry is the tallest of them all. You can see in these sentences people are compared. Jerry is tall, Edward is taller than Jerry, and Henry is the tallest of them all. You can see in this picture, we can say that this is Jerry. Jerry is tall, and this is Edward. Edward is taller than Jerry. Jerry से tall है. Edward is taller than Jerry, and the Henry is the tallest of them all. Henry इन सबसे लंबा है. So the second sentence compares the heights of Edward and Jerry. The second sentence है, here the two people are compared, Edward and Jerry. The height of these people is compared here by using the word taller. Adjective tall है, in tall word er is added. It means कि taller is more tall, इससे ज़्यादा tall है. Jerry से tall है तो taller is used here. er is added in adjective. And the third sentence compares the heights of Edward. Third sentence में Edward की not only Edward, and the third sentence compare the heights of Edward, Jerry and Henry. इन तीनों को compare करा गया third sentence में. So using the adjectives tallest, tall word में ही est लगा के tallest word is used to compare more than two people. Here only two people are compared. Edward is taller than Jerry. Edward Jerry से tall है, but Henry is the tallest of them all. Henry इन सब में लंबा है. तो ये खाली 2 का कंपैरिजन नहीं है, ये 3 लोगों का कंपैरिजन हो गया. So both adjectives come from the usual form of the adjective tall. Here I pasted some pictures to show how the adjectives are used to compare the things. Okay, so you can see here in this picture there are 3 kinds of animals: buffaloes, zebras and rabbits. So buffaloes are short animals and zebras are shorter than buffaloes. So you can see here rabbits are the shortest of all the animals here. So students, with the comparative degree we always use than word after adjective, shorter than. And with the superlative degree, shortest word है जहाँ पर est form है, here we have to use the word before adjectives. You have to remember this कि in the comparative form, after adjective then word is used, and in the superlative form, before adjective the word is used. So in this way, buffaloes are short animals, zebras are shorter than buffaloes, and the rabbits are the shortest of all. Okay. Now you can see this. These are means of transport: motorcycle, bus, train. We will compare the speed of these. So we know that motorcycle runs fast, but bus runs faster than motorcycle. Faster के बाद then will be used. So bus runs faster than motorcycle. ER form of the adjective will be used, and the train runs the fastest of all. From these three, the train runs fastest of all. So the fastest, fastest से पहले the लगाएंगे, the fastest. Faster than with comparative degree, then word is used, and positive is alone. So motorcycle runs fast, bus runs faster than motorcycle, and the train runs the fastest of all. इन सबसे तेज रन्स करती है. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर वार्म वाटर है एंड हॉट टी है, एंड सन, यू नो सन इज ऑलवेज वेरी हॉट. सो वी विल यूज हॉट वर्ड फॉर दिस. हॉट वाटर, हियर hotter than water. The tea is hotter than water. टी पानी से भी गर्म होती है. So the tea is hotter than water. But the sun is the hottest of all. sun सबसे गर्म है. So water is hot, tea is hotter than water, and the sun is the hottest of all. So here students, I have listed some adjectives. You can read it properly. See, in first column adjectives are, that is called positive form of the adjective, and for comparing two things we use the comparative form, and for more than two things we use the superlative forms. So you can see the word how we form in comparative form and in superlative form. So hot word है, hot adjective है, hotter, hottest. हॉट उससे गर्म, एंड हॉटेस्ट सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म. सो ब्राइट, ब्राइटर, ब्राइटेस्ट. ओके. ओल्ड, ओल्डर, ओल्डेस्ट. डर्टी, डर्टियर, डर्टीएस्ट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन द वर्ड एंड्स विद वाई, we remove the y, and in place of y we use IER to form comparative, and to form superlative we use IEST. So in this way, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Big, bigger, biggest. Here you can see these words are longer than this in spelling. Spelling wise they are longer. So in these type of words we will not use ER form to make comparative or EST form to make superlative. What we will use? We use more for comparative and most for superlative. Okay. So intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Expensive means होता है महंगा, and more expensive उससे भी ज़्यादा महंगा, and most expensive सबसे ज़्यादा costly. So here I have pasted one picture more. You can see these are ships, and we can say that this is a big ship. You know, ship बड़े ही होते हैं. So big, we can say this is a big ship, but this is bigger than that. When we compare these two ships, we can say this ship is bigger than this. But this is the biggest of all. You can see from these three, this is the biggest. So with the superlative form, we use the word before the adjectives, and with the comparative form, we use then word after the adjective. Okay. So students, after this we will do exercises of this chapter. Okay.